What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to update the Google Play Store on Android. So if the Google Play Store app is actually asking you for updates, or for some reasons the app is not opening because it has not been updated, this is how you want to go ahead to update the Google Play Store app on your Android. Simply, you want to go ahead and open up the settings of your Android phone by simply clicking on the gear icon over here, or alternatively you can just swipe down through this notification center and you should be able to find the settings icon at the top over here. Just go ahead and open up the settings, and from the settings of your Android you want to scroll down until you find the apps section. You can literally see mine over here. You want to go ahead and select that. Now once the list of apps on your Android opens up, you just want to scroll down continuously until you find the Google Play Store. You can literally find mine over here, so you want to select that just like so. And basically what I advise you do at this particular point is to go ahead and clear the cache and clear the data of the Google Play Store. Now this is not going to affect the Google Play Store app. It is just going to restart the app, and if there is any issue that is probably causing the Google Play Store not to work, it is also going to just clear up everything. So what you want to do is to go ahead and clear the cache data of the Google Play Store app on your Android from over here. You can literally see the clear data. It is actually the same as clear cache, so you want to click on that just like so. You want to go ahead and clear cache first just like so, and then you can as well clear data. You can as well just go ahead and click on clear data. Keep in mind that clearing the Google Play Store data will actually log you out of the Google Play Store, so you would have to sign in again. But once you do that, you should be able to update the Google Play Store. Now once you're done with the clearing of cache and the clearing of data on the Google Play Store, you want to go ahead and launch the Google Play Store app one more time just like so. And now it is trying to sign me in, and just like so I have now been signed in. Just to be sure that you have the updated Google Play Store app, you want to just come over to your profile icon at the top over here. Click on your profile icon, and then you want to just go ahead and click on the settings button over here. Go ahead and click on the about apps option over here, about, and then just go ahead and click on the update Google Play Store. Now this is actually going to run through the system and check if you actually have the latest Google Play Store app on your Android. As you can see, mine over here is saying Google Play Store is up to date. You want to click on got it, and just like so you have been able to update the Google Play Store app on your Android. But if for some reasons you're still not able to update the Google Play Store using this particular method, another thing you can try is to download the Google Play Store from the internet and then just reinstall it into your Android. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips.